Hello, in this video I'll walk you through how to enable add post to stories on Instagram. For seeing this, open up your Instagram app and the next thing you tap on the me icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the three lines up left corner to open up your settings and activity. Tap on sharing and reuse, sharing and reuse. Then turn these two options on to allow people to share your content. You can also turn on notes on posts and reels to allow people to add notes to your content. You can also turn these two on also to allow people to create, meet and read your content. You can also change this to everyone to determine who can create with your content, or you can just say people you follow. It's as simple as that. After selecting it, you tap on next. Tap on next and you tap on post. It's as simple as that.